Hello there everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today is a release hop for Trinity Stamps. All of the new products being released in January 2026, and I'm going to be using this stamp set. It's called the Recharge stamp set. It has a matching die to go along with it. It's got a few cute little images. It also has great sentiments. And what makes these sentiments great is that the matching dies that go along with it cut out each one of those words separately so you can mix and match, and we're going to use that to our advantage today. So this is the great stamp set. We're also going to be pairing it up with an older die. This is the Swirly Heart. I've got all my heart dies here from Trinity Stamps together, but this is the Swirly Heart. It's probably one of my favorites. I love all of them, but I definitely love that one. We're going to ink up our images using some Simon Hurley Create Black Widow ink, and we're going to stamp that onto some Express It cardstock. We're going to be using our alcohol markers for those to color them, and then for each of the sentiments, we're going to stamp those out using that same Black Widow ink, and I'm just going to stamp those down onto that white cardstock, and I am going to use both of these sentiments together, but not use all the words. So we're going to stamp those out, and now let's go ahead and color our image. Super simple coloring. I'll put all the colors up on the screen for you. Like I said, this is a part of a hop, so I'm going to have all the information linked down below. You're going to want to go check out everybody's stuff. There's a prize to be won, and you're going to want to see all the really cool, cute things that have been released. I was so excited for this release. Could not wait to get my hands on it and play around. At this point, I really actually didn't know when I stamped out the 3 batteries how many I was going to need or use. I'm going to color them all the same. I always figure, especially with images like this that are so easy to color, stamp as many as you want or feel like you need, maybe even a few more, and then whatever you have left over you can use for another card, or you can use whatever's left over on the inside of your card. So I'm just going to finish coloring up these batteries. Again, super simple to color. And then I do decide I want to add a little bit more stamping to the outside of the batteries. You know, if you look up batteries and just images of batteries, there's so many different colors of batteries, so you could have a lot of fun coloring up your batteries to be different colors. So I'm going to put the plus side, or the plus up on the plus side, and I'll put the negative. I'm going to stamp that down at the bottom of the battery. And so that way we've got plus and minus. So you can see the charge. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to bring in the matching die, and we're going to run this through our die cutting machine. I'll just tack this one down. I'll have to run this through, obviously, 3 times because I have 3 batteries. And then these ones, like I said, they die cut out each of those words separately, which is so great because then it gives you much more opportunity to customize your sentiments. And so I'll just cut both of those out, and then you'll see how we're going to use those, and we'll save the other words for something else. I have a piece of blue cardstock that I cut down to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. I'm going to cut that down a little bit smaller later on. But I did bring in some blueprint sketch. No, actually it was chipped sapphire. And that was some distress oxide spray that I splattered on the background. I'm just going to hit it with my heat tool. And then once it's dry, I'll bring in this little star image that was inside the stamp set. And I'm going to ink that up using some Midnight Snack ink. Kind of a little bit darker than the background we've got going on, and it just adds a little bit extra to that background. Now we're going to start adhering everything together. So here are my hearts. I die cut out the big piece out of red and then the smaller piece out of white, and then we're going to adhere that down here in a second, but I'm playing around with the battery, trying to see how I want that to look. And it's at this point I decide I'm going to trim down that background to be 4 inches by 5 1/4. Save those inside pieces if you want to use those on, or save those extra pieces for the inside if you'd like. I think I ended up adding those after the fact, so after I turned off the camera I did add those to the inside of the card. But we're going to use some liquid glue to adhere down the white center to the heart. And then we'll adhere this to that blue panel using some more liquid glue. I'm only going to put it on the solid part of the heart. I'm not concerned about the swirly parts. They'll stay put. Trying to line everything up kind of on my glass mat just to make sure everything looks good. And then we'll go ahead and adhere this down to the front of our card base, which is a white card base that measured 5 1/2 inches by 8 1/2 inches and was scored at 4 1/4. For my battery, I'm going to trim down some foam adhesive. We're going to stick that back on the back of the battery and also on the back of each of the words. So we'll stick our battery down. It's going to be propped up nicely. And you can tell I use my reverse tweezers to peel off the release paper on these smaller pieces. I'm going to start with the center word, recharge, so that way I can center that up. And I've got it to say, you recharge me. Have you ever had those friends that just when you're with them, you just feel recharged? So I thought that would be a perfect sentiment. And then on the inside, I'm going to add these last 2 batteries. So I really like how that turned out. We're going to add some of the brand new sparkle hearts, and they come in a couple different sizes, so we're going to adhere those down using our pickup stick along with our liquid glue. And then once I'm done with that, that's actually going to finish off our card for today. So like I said, be sure to head down to my description box so you can find out all the information to hop around. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.